An Elephant and a Piggy book. Today I Will Fly by Mo Williams. Today I will fly. No, you will not fly today. You will not fly tomorrow. You will not fly next week. You will never fly. I will try. Goodbye. You will not fly. She will not fly. Fly, 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 fly. Fly, 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 fly. Fly, 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 fly. You need help. Thank you. I do need help. I will get help. Woof, woof. Woof, woof, woof. I did it! I flew! Thank you for your help. You did not fly. Oh, I did not fly? Jumped. I jumped. It was a big jump. Yes, it was a big jump, but you did not fly. I will try again. I will eat lunch. Goodbye. Fly, fly, fly. Oof. Oh. You need help? I do need help. Will you help me? I will help you. Thank you. Hello. Hello. You are flying. You are flying today. My friend can fly. She can fly. I am not flying. You are not flying. I am getting help. Thank you for your help. Tomorrow I will fly. Good luck. Making this book was a ball. The end.